Okay, there's the house there. We're at the water's edge, just down here. A bit of a slope down, but it's not a cliff or anything. I can walk pretty well all the way down under water. It's pretty wet grass though, so I'm not going all the way down. But you could launch a kayak from there, no problem. There's the river there, better look at it. I'm not sure if they call it a river or a brook. It's a brook, it's a big brook. Like I said, there's fish in it, so anyway, we go back up this way, get a better look all around. I'm not sure why we couldn't connect, but anyway, the rain eased off a bit, so that's why I came out. And basically this lot here is included too, with the brush in it. And then to the other side there, the other house starts halfway through. You can see here on the house here, it's rained pretty well 24 hours now. And there's water in the basement, and it's been fed out with a sump pump to keep it relatively dry. We'll have a look inside and see how dry it is. But we've had a lot of rain. Anyway. In the house. So, here we are. We'll have a look in the basement. Yeah, there is some water in there, but it's not. So the sump pump's keeping up with it, kind of. Yeah, you can hear the water. But, I think there's a hole in the sump pump pipe and something under there, but anyway. And then the other thing they mentioned was this flooring, and it is kind of, it's all solid underneath it. It's just the linoleum or whatever it is. Yeah, but I look at that. It's got solid board underneath. Anyway. So that's why I came out. I'll send you this anyway, and then if you decide you want to do it tomorrow, that's fine.